Now we'll look at another stage. Okay, that's in bone fracture healing. So a fracture has occurred and healing has to come in. So this is what is known as a hematoma formation. So hematoma formation is even the first stage. Okay, it's the first stage of what? Fracture healing. So hematoma formation, they also call it the inflammatory phase of fracture healing. Okay, so so it's actually the first step as your body is trying to heal after a fracture. That's a break, okay, or break in the continuity of a bone, so such as a fracture or soft tissue trauma. So it sets the stage for other repairing mechanisms to actually come in. Do you understand? So this one is like the one that goes forward to pave the way. So what happens in hematoma formation? There's blood vessel rupture. So injuries cause a lot of bleeding in the surrounding tissues. So clots will now form there. Then we'll have fibrin mesh. So the clot provides a temporal scaffold that stabilizes the area. Then we have the inflammatory cell infiltration. So neutrophils and macrophages will now be coming in to clear the debris. Do you understand? They release signaling molecules. A lot of things will be released. Then role in inflammatory phase is it helps to stop the bleeding, because the clot formations will stop further bleedings. The inflammatory markers will come in, cell recruitment, immune cells will come in to clear debris, fight infections and the rest of it. And it will now prepare the environment for further healings to take place. Okay, so it's very important in fracture healing. It's very important in also soft tissue injuries healing. Okay, and sometimes the process could go on too much. Okay, and you can now have all this calcification, and the area around the fracture will heal, but it will be so large. Do you understand? We'll get to talk about all those abnormalities later.